Choosing the right product from the market is a hectic job, but don't worry, we've made the task easier by preparing the list of the best ones ready for you. If you want to know more about these models, then click on the links given in the description. Now let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Drones have found a vast number of applications in different sectors. They're no longer limited to just military uses, as various businesses are now investing in these devices for swifter and more responsive customer service. It helps in a safe environment, affordable cost-saving technology, quality imaging, live streaming, control ease, privacy violation, endangering public safety, and more.
If you don't get your money's worth, there's no point in purchasing the costly models. Well, buddy, the next product on this list gives you the best value for your bucks spent today.
This snapped-in S5C provides video transmission within a range of up to 80 meters. It can edit and upload your videos instantly on social media, by iPhone, or a 1080p video transmission signal, up to a scale of 80 meters for allowing you to fly farther. And it can also edit HD footage and directly upload it to social media from your iPhone or iPad. Plus, its protective propeller guards ensure a safe flight. And its high-quality ABS material frees your worries of a sudden shock or drop. Its altitude hold function provides a steady hover in the air at a certain altitude. And its built-in G sensor is designed to control the drone by adjusting the vertical and horizontal position of your smartphone via the Snapped-in Era app downloadable on the iOS and Android app market.
Now, if durability is your primary concern, then the next product would be an ideal choice for you.
This drone comes with a 1080p FHD camera and captures crystal clear aerial photos in 1920 by 1080 at 25 frames per second videos. Its 120-degree FOV and 90-degree adjustable design let you catch every moment of your adventure from a bird's eye perspective. And its smart voice control and gesture control allows you to speak to control the flying direction or pose to the camera to trigger photo or video shooting. Plus, it can perform stunts like 360-degree flip, circle fly, and high-speed rotation. And its trajectory flight allows you to draw flying courses on your phone to bring you spectacular flying experiences.
If you're looking for a mid-range model, then this next pick is a great option.
This drone features 2K cameras with 120-degree FOV and 75-degree adjustable wide angle, and helps capture photos and more stable videos. It is equipped with dual GPS to stand still in the wind and automatically return home when it is with low power or weak signal or lost. And its Follow Me mode and dual GPS free your hands. And its Potensic drone automatically follows you and simultaneously captures all videos and photos. It can fly as you want once the customized flight path function is activated. And its two modular 1000 mAh batteries and up to 300 meter control range enable you to go farther and see broader.
Not everyone can afford big bucks on the pricey models on the market. This one is the right pick for you if you're looking for a budget option.
This E58 drone is equipped with a 120-degree wide-angle 720p HD camera and includes an adjustable angle to capture high-quality video and clear aerial photos. Its Wi-Fi real-time transmission FPV system can connect to your phone with the drone and directly view it on your phone. And its altitude hold mode can accurately lock the height, location, stable hover, and capture video or photos from any angle shooting. Plus, it can automatically take off and lands with one click, which is very handy. And there is an emergency landing feature to prevent collision with other things. Its headless mode option can make the drone's front side the same as the remote control, for making it easier to fly to your destination. And its trimming function can adjust according to the tilt direction, for making the drone stabilize during flight.
If you are someone who travels often, then this model will be perfect for you. It's one of the greatest picks for traveling.
This Mavic 2 Zoom from DJI is a professional quality filmmaking drone that gives you the ability to get closer to the action. It can capture stunning time-lapse shots in hyperlapse mode, processing everything automatically and saves time in post-processing. And Its hyperlapse shots can be captured with 4 distinct modes, like free, circle, course lock, and waypoint. Plus, it can capture low-light images with reduced noise in hyperlight mode. And it utilizes a low-drag aerodynamic body design for achieving speeds up to 44.7 miles per hour, a 4-cell LiPo battery for up to 31 minutes of flight time, and low-noise propellers for filming without being distracting.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
This Evo 2 comes with an 8K camera payload and captures video at 7680 by 4320 resolution. It provides high-end specifications and abilities well beyond videography and photography. Its motors can fly in ludicrous speed mode at up to 44.8 miles per hour and lets you transmit HD footage back to the controller's 3.3-inch OLED screen from up to 5.6 miles away. And its 12-sensor omnidirectional obstacle avoidance is coupled with a dual-core processor. As well as its AI machine learning, let the Evo 2 navigate itself around the environment safely while still getting the shot. Furthermore, its Batlock system helps prevent accidental battery ejections during complicated maneuvers and landings. And its radar feature provides environmental information while manually piloting with avoidance turned off.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.